Hi guys, in this session we'll be basically dealing with Euclidean geometry for grade 8. So as you can see here, we are given two straight lines that are intersecting at point A, and then they're saying determine the size of the angles indicated by letters. Now in order for us to determine the sizes indicated by letters, we're going to be using the concept of Euclidean geometry. Now the easy starting point that basically I can use here, I can just say angle A1 plus angle what? A2 is equals to 180 degrees. Now we know that these are adjacent angles on a straight line. So I'll just say adjacent angles on STR, straight line, right? And then after that, what now you're going to do, you're going to substitute, because remember the question wants us to determine the size of the unknown. Now with regards to angle A1, it's represented by angle E, with the capital to represent that is an angle, plus, and then with regards to angle A2, we are having A2 being 121 degrees. So you're just going to write 121 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now from here, you're going to say angle E is equals to, then you write 180 degrees, and then you subtract 121 degrees, because when you take a positive 121 transposing on the other side, it changes the sign to become negative. Now with regards to this, it means that we are now going to do what? It means that we are now going to subtract. Now we're going to say 180 we're going to say 180 minus 121. So we are getting 59 degrees. So that will be 59 degrees. So it means that 59 degrees is our angle E. And then after that, what we are going to basically do, we know that angle what? Angle A2 is the same as angle what? Angle A4. So A2 is equals to angle A4. So this is what? This is vertically opposite angles are equal. So you're just gonna write vertically opposite angles equal, right? So when two straight lines intersect, the vertical opposite angles are equal. Now after that, let's check. So we know that the size of angle A2, we are given 121 degrees. It's equals to, now A4 there is represented by small letter d. You can just say therefore angle D is equals to 121 degrees. So that's how basically you solve this question, guys, because they said for you to be able to do what? For you to be able to do this question, they said determine the size of the angles indicated by letters, of which we can see that our sizes of the letters here in this case it's what? It's only E and D. So that's how basically we solve this question. It's a one and only maths favorite teacher once again. Stay tuned for more.